Hi, Amani and Anaya.
What a big surprise today.
Hello. Oh, I see a little teddy there. Hello, baby. Have you got a surprise today, Amani?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a teddy.
And what is in that box, guys? Check it out.
A snow globe.
A My Little Pony
Snow globe.
snow globe, sparkle globe maker. Wow, check it out. That looks cool. Let's see the back of the box, Amani. Turn it around. Oh, let's see. Create the scene.
Look, he's watching telly.
Connect the parts. Watch us sparkle and spin. Wow. This, I think you can make your own glitter globe. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Shall we open it?
Yeah.
Let's open it, Amani.
Oh, whoa, look at this.
Whoa. Take it out. What is it?
It's stacked together.
Oh, wow. Bubble wrapped. Oh, is that a globe there? That's one globe. What's that, Amani? Is that
Look,
another one?
I can make some up with this little handbag. Can I keep this? No, that one. That one's
Got
just
a funnel, rubber. I think these are rubbers.
Wow.
Glitter.
Check it out. Oh, look at this.
Pink, purple, gold, and then we've got silver.
Wow, look at this glitter pen, guys. Do you like this, Amani? Which one's your favorite color?
I like four of them.
Okay, this is the workstation. Comes with a little pull-out drawer, so you can put your glitter in there.
Look, you can move it.
Yeah, first let's get the backdrop in. See if you can put it in, Amani.
Like this.
Guys, at the bottom there's an open and close. It's a lock basically. You twist it around and then that comes out when you pull it out. And I thought these were rubbers, but silly me, they're not actually rubbers. They're the two My Little Pony characters. We've got Rainbow Dash there, and who's the other one, Amani? I think that is that Fluttershy?
Yes,
yeah,
Fluttershy.
Fluttershy.
How do you close this now? I think
Yay, well done, Amani. Let's make the snow globe. You got stickers, Amani.
No, it's not. It's scenery.
Wow, are you going to decorate this? Backdrop here.
I think you decorate the glass.
Oh, you're going to decorate your globe?
Oh, it's a cloud here. That can go here. Wow. And then in the last one, put something beautiful like a tree or something.
Oh, look, I like this.
Go on then, put that on.
Wow, let me check it out.
Same with the other one. Somebody's closing this one too. Yes.
Hold on.
That's the little. This is the little teapot.
Is that the little globe?
No, it's a teapot.
Is it like a teapot? Hey.
Now we just have
Oh,
to lock
is that
it.
the station? Is that the globe station? Wow, it's the snow station, guys. Check it out. Put that funnel in.
That's quite cool.
Well done. Now get the glitter. Which glitter are you going to use?
Where's my glitter?
There in the workstation. You only put a little bit of each. Of
I
them.
like a purple.
Purple.
A bit more.
More.
So it covers the floor. Yeah, more.
Oh, this is quite easy. Guys, I'm going to add silver.
Are you adding silver glitter? Wow. More, add more. Ooh, check it out. Is that Fluttershy? Who is that? Fluttershy or Pinkie Pie?
Pinkie Pie. We're going to add the water. Oopsie.
Wow, check it out. Look. Shall we add more?
Wait till it goes. Wait,
Add a little bit more.
It's not going.
Woo.
Oh, Dad, why did you do
It's
that?
okay, a little bit spilled.
Dad, you need to add lots of water.
Let's see. Shake it more, Amani. Let's have a look. Now let's have a look. Oh, wow. Look at the sparkly globe. Check it out. What sparkly colours have you got there, Amani?
Can I have the other one too?
Oh, yeah, we're going to make another one, guys. But this is the end product.
This time I didn't do pink.
I think it's Rainbow Dash in there.
And I didn't do
That's
yellow.
Fluttershy.
Fluttershy.
I hope you like this.
See you next time, Amani.
Next